Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games login error. There are a few ways to do this. First of all, you'll want to try turning on a VPN. That often does the trick. Second, before doing anything else, open your browser and search Epic Games status. Make sure to check whether everything is up and running with Epic Games. Right now everything looks good, so let's go ahead and get started. Open the run dialog, type in %local app data %. Yes, go ahead and type %local app data %. Hit OK and look for Epic Games here. We need the Epic Games launcher folder. Go in, navigate to saved, and delete the web cache and all cache folders. There might be a few files in here. Click delete. There we go. Next, right click on Epic Games, go to Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab. Here, run the program in compatibility mode and as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Then click Apply. If that doesn't help, you can also try this launcher, like starting fresh. For that, we need to go to Settings, Applications, here, Installed Applications. And here we type Epic Games. Well, you'll need to uninstall it first, because there's nothing here to restore. Type in Epic Games. By the way, Epic Games also has two services, so it's not just one Epic Games, there are also online services. Click delete, and reinstall the game, well, specifically Epic Games again. That's it. This was Weller. See you all later.